This is Eastern Security Network. Anambra State Command on patrol. Patrolling our farms to make sure that there is adequate security for our mothers to farm, our women, to make sure there is no crime anymore in our country, in this old eastern region. To make sure that our bushes are free from kidnappers, Fulani Herdsmen, killings of any kind, to make sure they stop it in old eastern region. We make sure that our land is free from every crime, killings, or whatever you might call it. We don't want it again. We don't want it again in our land. This is to make sure that there is adequate security for all the old eastern zone. We're live here in Anambra State, patrolling to make sure that there is good atmosphere, security for our people, to make sure that our women are free to farm in our land, to make sure there will be no more rape, there will be no more killings in this old eastern region. This is security network. Is old eastern security network, launched by Mazi Nnamdi Okukano, the supreme leader of IPOB worldwide. They're on patrol. We are patrolling all the farms and bushes to make sure there is no kidnapping, no raping, that our land will be free from any crime.